The Great Hobby Hunt. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a boy named Tim. Tim loved to try new things. He was always looking for a fun hobby. One sunny Saturday, he decided to find a new hobby. First, he went to the park. There, he saw some children flying kites. The colorful kites danced in the sky. Tim thought, "This looks fun." He asked a girl if she could teach him. She smiled and showed him how to fly a kite. Tim loved it, but he wanted to try something different. Next, Tim walked to the library. Inside, he found a book about painting. The pictures were beautiful. Tim borrowed some paints and a canvas. At home, he painted a big, bright sun. It made him feel happy, but he wanted to explore more hobbies. Finally, Tim visited his grandmother. She was in the garden, planting flowers. "Do you want to help me?" she asked. Tim nodded excitedly. Together, they planted colorful flowers. Tim loved the smell of the soil and the bright colors of the flowers. By the end of the day, Tim had 3 new hobbies: flying kites, painting, and gardening. He couldn't wait to tell his friends about his adventures. Tim learned that hobbies are not just fun, but they can also make you happy and help you meet new friends. From that day on, Tim enjoyed every moment of his great hobby hunt.